This is Bhaskar here from Baachu Scribble. So what is the APMP Practitioner? The APMP Practitioner is level 2 of the APMP certifications for bid and proposal professionals. So you need to pass the APMP Foundation level before you get to the practitioner level. So how different is the practitioner from the foundation? It's very, very, very different. The practitioner is a 2.5 hour online exam that involves a scenario and the questions around the scenario. So it tests your ability to apply the principles that you have learned in the foundation. So it's very different than just learning the best practice, whereas in practitioner you apply your knowledge in a scenario-based environment for practitioner. You need to have a different thought process, but it's a very, very good certification to go for. Browse www.baachuscribble/APMP Practitioner Certification to find more information about it. Good luck with your learning journey.